If you want to log out of your DoorDash account from all devices, here is how you can do it. First of all, you have to launch any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. At the top search bar, type in DoorDash.com, get logged into your account. Now, there is no direct way where you can get logged out of all of your DoorDash devices, but you can simply change your password, which will make all the devices log out easily. So for that, you will have to click on account from your bottom left-hand side. Scroll below, then you will see account. Open it. At the section, you will see your name, email, and phone number. Here you will also see password. Click on change password, and likewise make sure that you type in your old password correctly. Once done, create yourself a new password. Confirm your new password. Make sure you follow all these criteria before creating a new password. Then click on change my password. Once it is so, every devices will be logged out of your DoorDash account itself because they have been logged in via your old password, and they will be requiring a new password. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.